Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Rizwan bin Muhammad Izzuddin. I will introduce about our PC proposal that we propose to Nawal as our client. Based on the situation given, our client Nawal needs a new PC with Microsoft Word to write her assignment, and the PC that she wish must be positioned to run programming software such as VB.NET and C++. Create an application to do coding. She also wants authoring software designed for creating internet websites such as Adobe Dreamweaver. Adobe Premiere also available, which is she able to accomplish of the common video editing takes necessary to create high definition video and broadcast quality. She also want Adobe Director that enable use to develop 2D and 3D video games applications. Next, we continue to our proposal that we have proposed the computer specification.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabila Syafiqah binti Azhar. I would like to present about one of computer specification, which is motherboard. We use MSI B550A Pro. MSI B550A Pro is an all black ATX form factor size model with size as the brand intra-level B550 model. The A Pro has support for DDR4 up to 404,000 MHz memory with a total of 4 memory slots, which allow user to install up to 128 GB. Based upon AMD B550 chipset architecture, the B550A Pro M4 socket allow you to install Ryzen 5000, 3000 and Ryzen 4000 G series processor. Also, this motherboard can connect several hard drive or SSD with 6 times SATA 3 port and 2 M.2 port or 4 inches program loading and increasing overall performance. Install graphic, sound or networking card with one PCIe 4.0 multiply 16, one PCIe 3.0 multiply 16 and 2 PCIe 3.0 multiply 1 slot, and RJ45 port is also available for wired internet connectively and with 7.1 channel high definition audio. You can experience a wide range of entertainment. MSI B550A Pro motherboard feature tone-off convert and smart design for DIY user. Focusing on the rear panel of the B550A Pro, MSI include two USB 3.2G2 port, including a Type A and Type C with two time USB 3.2G1, Type A for time USB 2.0 port and one time USB 3.2 Type C. For user looking to pair this model up with a Ryzen APU, also there is a pair of video output including a display port, 1.4 and HDMI output with a small BIOS flashback. Also, it comes with the turbo USB 3.2 up to 10 Gbps with reversible Type-C connector. This motherboard also have better thermal solution, which is come with extend PWM heatsink with 7W or MK thermal pack, ensure even high heat processor to run in full speed with MSI motherboard. In the motherboard lineup of B550, AMD has introduced a new feature that is PCIe 4.0 support. MSI Lightning Gen 4 PCIe is the latest and the fastest PCIe data transfer solution with 64 GB of transfer bandwidth that has double compared to its previous generation. So this MSI B550 a Pro motherboard is very worthwhile for now because this motherboard is a mid-range motherboard. Next is a computer case. The computer case that we use is MSI Garnier 110R. MSI Garnier 110R is an epitome of high standard in a mid-tower case with the tempered glass panel, a polished aluminum frame and integrated RGB lighting on the front glass panel, and is ready for an ATS, MATS and even mini ITS motherboard where it can fit the MSI B550. Also come with the significant water cooling configuration, making it the ideal choice for a typical MSI showcase build. The price is reasonable for student like Nawal, which is RM329. Cinegen MPG Garnier 110 series with an MSI motherboard including bridging a USB Type-C port for convenient access. Establish a complete MSI gaming ecosystem with a graphic card and liquid cooling. The Max Sheet 110A feature a striking and memorable front panel that display auto RGB lighting as well as providing airflow to the rest of the system. This casing also comes with install light loop button. Quickly control the fan color and lighting effect with install light loop at the touch of a button. Click through the profile at ease and choose a favorite. MSI Garnier 110 series rival USD with a tempered glass side panel. Also a magnetic filter side on the top when keeping dust from falling inside might be easily removed for cleaning. MSI Garnier 110 series is well equipped to provide the most effective airflow for system cooling because the MSI Garnier 110 series already come with the 4 fan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatina Juha binti Afizar. I am from KIM 110-4D and today I would like to explain about hardware and software that we choose. Okay, firstly, for the processor, we choose AMD Ryzen 5 3600. The AMD Ryzen 5 3600 is an excellent 65-watt chip for small form factor enthusiasts. Ryzen 3000 chips, the 6-core 12-thread Ryzen 5 3600 come with a 7nm compute die with 2 disable physical core, paired with a 12nm input-output die. These two components come together into a single package that fits inside a 65-watt TDP envelope. The base frequency is 3.6 and the boost frequency 4.2 GHz. The watt of the processor is 65 watt, the core is 6 and the thread is 12. Okay, the L3 cache is 32 MB, the pool 4.0 lanes in 24 and the price of this processor we can get in a range of 735 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, for the next hardware is system memory. And the system memory that we choose is T-Force Delta RGB 8GB 3200 MHz multiple 4 stick which is 32GB and there are some features for the system memory which is it comes with a full frame 120 ultra wide angle lighting, built-in force flow RGB lighting effect, aluminium alloy heat spreader with asymmetric minimalist design, support Asus Aura Sync software synchronization, latest JEDEC RC 2.0 PCB, energy saving 1.2 volt to 1.4 volt ultra low working voltage, support XMP 2.0 one-click overclocking technology, and the last one is QVL approved by all mainstream motherboard manufacturer. Okay, the third hardware is graphic card, and we choose MSI Radeon RX 5600 XT Merge OC. This MSI Radeon power consumption is 150 watt and using PCI Express 4.0 as interface. The core clock for base is 1255 MHz. For boost is up to 1620 MHz, and for game up to 1460 MHz. The memory for this MSI Radeon is 6 GB GDDR6 VRAM up to 40 Gbps. The output for this graphic card is DisplayPort multiple 3 times, V1.4, HDMI 2.0 B1 time, complete with a few software which is TORX fan 3.0, the dispersion fan blade, step curve blade accelerating the airflow. The traditional fan blade provides steady airflow to massive heatsink below. The second one is afterburner clocking utility, and the last one is AMD Radeon FreeSync technology. Okay, for the power supply, we choose Cooler Master Watt Light 600 watt. The length and the length for this power supply is 150 millimeter. The 4 watt is 140 millimeter, and the height is 86 millimeter. The input voltage is 100 to 240 VAC. And the fan size is silent 120mm HDB fan. The certification is 80 plus standard, and this power supply have warranty for 3 years with watt 500 to 750 watt. Okay, and then for the solid state drive or SSD, we choose Cardia Zero M.2 PCLE SSD 240GB. Cardia Zero is the first super slim M.2 PCLE SSD on the market that is built specifically for gaming, laptop or high performance tablet PC. The feature for this SSD is, the first one is, of course, it is super slim graphene SSD cooling module. The combination of graphene and copper foil can efficiently speed up the heat transfer, and NVMe interface support latest NVMe specification, support smart technology SMART, monitoring hard drive status efficiently, support trim, bring out its best performance on the compatible operating system. Product warranty is for 3-year product warranty and free technical support service. Okay, for another SSD we choose is T-Force Delta Max 250GB SATA SSD with performance rate and write speed 500 Mbps. Okay, for the feature is, it has a simple design mirror, can present a mirror-like reflection effect, exclusive in luminous mode and motherboard synchronization function. The world one and only independent dual control interface using addressable RGB LED module and leading industry with largest proportion of luminous area. Okay, for the hard disk, we choose Seagate internal hard disk Barracuda 3.5 inch hard drive HDD SATA speed 7200 RPM and with capacity 1 TB to 64 MB cache. For the DVD-ROM, we choose the Asus STRW 08D2S U-Lite. Is an internal thin DVD writer with an 8 times speed rating. And this DVD from using USB 2.0 and the eGreen engine and also include for the finest optical storage possible. Okay, for the software, we choose operating system which is Genin Windows 10 Home. product by Microsoft, and we can provide the purchase link microsoft.com, and the detail of this product is it is antivirus, firewall and internet protection are all built in security features. You can scan your face or fingerprint with Windows Hello to unlock your PC in a quick, secure and password-free manner. You also can use Focus Assist to block notification, sound and alerts so that you can work without distraction. And your timeline allow you to quickly and easily scroll through your most recent document, apps and website. Okay, the next one is application software, which is Microsoft 365 personal product by Microsoft, and we also can provide the purchase link again microsoft.com, and the product detail it has in Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You can use Smart Assistant feature as well as 100 of premium template, photo icon and font. Throughout your subscription, you can contact support via chat or phone at no extra cost. Okay, this package 365 Microsoft Office include a few software like Microsoft Word, which is also known as MS Word, is a graphical word processing program that allow user to type. And next is Microsoft PowerPoint, is a powerful presentation program for slideshow. Next is Microsoft Excel, is a useful and powerful data analysis and documentation program. The other is Microsoft Access, is a relational database and information management tool that allow you to store data for reference, reporting and analysis. Okay, for the next one is Adobe Dreamweaver, product by Adobe Inc. We can also provide a purchase link Adobe, and the product detail is Dreamweaver help developer build website for the internet or an intranet, letting developer design, code and manage website as well as mobile content. Okay, for the next one is Adobe Premiere Pro, product by Adobe Inc. also, and we can also again provide purchase link Adobe, and this Premiere Pro is the industry-leading video editing software for social sharing, TV and film. Okay, next is Adobe Director, product by also Adobe Inc. The product detail is Adobe Director, formerly Macromedia Director, was a multimedia application altering platform created by Macromedia and managed by Adobe System until its discontinuation to develop 2D and 3D video game application. And the last one is Visual Studio, which is develop.NET application, contain component for net desktop, ASP.NET and web development. It also get a light and simplify installation, add more component during installation or update Visual Studio after installation. Okay, that's all for software and hardware. Next, we will proceed with input and output device.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fauzan bin Muhammad Zahir, and today I will explain about input device. First, input device is Aula S2056 membrane keyboard. This board is ideal for gamers looking to enhance their keyboard styles and performance without breaking the bank. For the specifications, it support driver, customized functions, safe configuration functions to keyboard, and harmonized design with FN to add a series of commonly used shortcut function buttons. Next, the keyboard keys are responsive with a lifespan of more than 10 million keystrokes, and it have 26 keys do not conflict, FN plus PG up / PGDN to adjust brightness. The size of keyboard is 1.38 inch. For the width is 696 gram. It also use USB for the interface. For the number of key, it have 104 and total keystrokes is 2.0 mm. And last, for the operating system is Vista or Windows 7, 8, 10 slash or Mac. Second input device that we choose is Aula F80C Marco Programmable RGB Colorful Lightning Gaming Mouse. This mouse is ergonomic designs, and then it have 4 adjustable DPI settings and anti-slip texture. This mouse use USB wire connection and have 7 programmable key. For the weight of mouse is about 132 gram. The types of this mouse is wire gaming mouse for PC or laptop, and it use USB for interface. For the backlight, it have adjustable breathing backlight effect. For the output device, first is Aula F606 wire RGB headset with mic. This headset come with the light effect and backlight color. The logo on the side and the surroundings are all RGB backlight, and the color lights flow freely. It also have skin-friendly, all-inclusive earmuff, comfortable and sound insulation, long wearing without pressure. The all-inclusive design is excellent in sound insulation. The second output device is Commandos G2411 FN Adaptive Scene Full HD Monitor. This monitor have 24.5 screen viewing size. For the isolation, it use 19, 20 and 1080 Full HD. And then its panel, it use Super TN panel. Furthermore, it have 170 degrees slash 160 degree for the view angle. For the refresh rate is 165 Hz. For the package content, we will get 1 HDMI cable, 1 power adapter with my power cord and welcome card. And lastly, we get 3 years carry in local warranty by Tech Amory. That's all from me, thank you.
We go to the pricing consideration. As we know, we're using the motherboard MSI B5500A Pro, which is the price is 885 ringgit. Then we use computer casing MSI Gangnir 110R, which is the price is 329 ringgit. And the hardware, for the processor, we use AMD Ryzen 5 3600, which is the price is 735 ringgit. Then the system memory that we use is T-Force Delta RGB 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is 3200 MHz. We use 4 stick of RAM, RM 285 ringgit per each. We total the 4 stick of RAM, which are 1,140 ringgit Malaysia. And for the graphic card that we use is MSI Mac Radeon RX 5600 XT, which the price is RM 1,398 ringgit. For the power supply, we use Cooler Master Master Watt Lite 600 watt, which is the price is 225 ringgit. For the SSD that we use, first we use T-Force Cardia Zero 240GB, which is the price is 220 ringgit. Second SSD that we use is T-Force Delta Max 240GB. The price is 250 ringgit. And then the hard disk we use Seagate internal hard disk, 3.5 inch hard drive HDD SATA, 7200 RPM, 1 terabyte, only 179 ringgit. Then we use DVD-ROM, external DVD-ROM, which is Asus SDRW08D 2S U-Lite Ultra Slim, portable, which is portable external USB DVD or CD burner, which is the price is 111 ringgit. For the system software, the OS we use Genin Windows 10 Professional, which is 919 ringgit. For the application software, Microsoft 365 Personal, the price is 269 ringgit. Then the input device we use, the keyboard that we use is Aula S2056 membrane keyboard, which is the price is 39 ringgit and 90 cents. Then for the mouse we use Aula F806 micro programmable RGB colorful lightning gaming mouse, which is the price is only 26 and 90 cents. For the output device we use Aula F606 white gaming RGB headset with mic, which is 69 ringgit only. And then the monitor that we use is Commandos G24 11FN 25 inch. It comes with 165 Hz adaptive sync full HD monitor. The price is only 599 ringgit only. For the total cost, it took only 7,448.11 cents. Then, in a nutshell, nowadays the computer has become a major needs, major part of everyday life in today's world. Nowadays, computers are fundamental necessary. The computer can accomplish a variety of functions and is indeed the technology for the future. In fact, all of our client needs are developed based on our suggestions for computer buildings and specification that we have proposed. There is a strong AMD CPU that we use for the PC device. This will help Nawal to use the software better without lagging or problem. For example, she running Microsoft Word, Excel and Access. This CPU AMD Ryzen 5 3600 will also have Nawal to run Adobe programs as performance such as Adobe Premiere Pro to edit the video as much as possible. For example, the software can render video without dropping performance. Nawal has also can be certified, which supports large gaming graphics, which is graphic card that we use are made from the most recent game graphics on the market. This result will satisfy Nawal as she demand the specification that she want. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.